Cook like Rachael Ray. This Stockpot, by Rachael Ray, boasts PlatinumShield Technology enhanced silver nonstick reinforced to be 9x harder than titanium, for long-lasting nonstick and easy food release. Made to last. Dishwasher-safe aluminum construction provides fast, even heating and easy cleaning convenience. The perfect stockpot to use as a lobster pot, chili pot, and more. Induction cookware. Induction-compatible stockpot base features stainless steel plate for ultra-strength and durability, to keep you cooking for years on any cooktop surface. Dishwasher safe convenience. This Rachael Ray stockpot has been engineered to be dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Big pot, solid handles. The dual-riveted stainless steel and silicone handles offer a comfortable grip when moving the stockpot from cooktop to oven, where the stockpot is oven safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lock in the heat. This stockpot comes with a shatter-resistant glass lid, perfect when using as a lobster pot, chili pot, etc., to monitor the cooking process. The Rachael Ray Create delicious aluminum nonstick 6-quart stockpot brings high-quality performance and everyday convenience for kitchen versatility with style. Vibrant color combined with functionality, this roomy stockpot is perfect for soups, stews, stoops and one-pot meals. Durable aluminum construction provides even heat distribution and enhanced PlatinumShield technology, nonstick reinforced to be 9 times harder than titanium for effortless food release. Plus, the stockpot is dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. The stockpot is also equipped with dual-riveted stainless steel and silicone handles that provide comfort and control. Oven safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and a shatter-resistant glass lid locks in heat and flavor while allowing foods to be monitored as they cook. Flared cookware rims make for easy pouring, and an induction-compatible stainless steel base provides strength, durability, and versatility to use the stockpot on any cooktop. From dishwasher-safe convenience to the enhanced durability of PlatinumShield nonstick, reach for the big brilliance of the Rachael Ray Create delicious aluminum nonstick 6-quart stockpot. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice pot. So, my test for these types of pots consists of filling them with some water and seeing how long it takes to come to a boil. I filled this pot with tepid tap water a bit over 1/2 full and put it on my induction range in a similarly sized burner. It took the water 5.5 minutes to come to a full hard boil, which I believe is excellent, compared to other pots we have. The handles are really great in that you don't have to look for pot holders to dump out the water into a colander along with the pasta, which is what we wanted it for. I cannot speak to how well the non-stick part will last, but it looks durable and is certainly non-stick just by looking at it and touching it, and will go out on a limb and say it will be just exactly as expected. Great product at a very reasonable price.